Hello everybody, this is Oscar Esparza and today I'm doing an unboxing on the Adonit PhotoGrip Chi little camera holder. Well, it's like a little stand for your mobile device. I think this is pretty cool. I actually saw this on I don't know if you guys know the YouTuber Random Frank P. He did a top tech under 50 bucks. I saw this and I was like, oh, I have to get this. So let's get started. So package is pretty cool. Honestly, I think this is a pretty awesome product. So let's just go right in. So right away on the very top, we have a really cool little carrying case, which can be either used for either this product or this product as is attached to your phone. It does feel like it is like does repel water, at least on the outside. So if you take this hiking, you should be fine from keeping out the sweat, or if you happen to see a river, keeping that kind of water out of there. Let's see, we got the instruction manual, which obviously we don't need to read. We got a cool little tripod, not cheap, but not, you know, super high premium. But hey, they added that, which is pretty sweet. We have a little cord so we can attach it to our pouch. So I guess you can hang this on your neck. Keeps it handy because you don't want to carry the attachment with your phone in your pocket because it's thick. And here it comes also with a USB-C cable, which many of you guys know, if it's not USB-C, I don't buy it anymore. Just because it's all cool, you can just carry one cable and charge everything. And here is what we've been looking for. The actual attachment. It actually feels really good in the hands. Right there, definitely feels very ergonomic. There's a little shutter button, and there's our little button for to activate our wireless charging. And this looks like it's pretty spring loaded, so that's gonna definitely hold your phone in there. So let's give it a shot. As you can see here, I'm kind of having had a little trouble putting it in there, but that's good because it's definitely gonna hold your phone very securely. So I press this button now and it should start wirelessly charging. So let's take a look. And there you go. It is wirelessly charging. Not fast, but hey, you can't complain. You can use that as a stand if you want, which I think is pretty cool. Or you can use it how it's meant to be and take pictures. You're gonna be taking pictures. If you're gonna be taking pictures for a couple of hours, it'll waste your battery. So why not have it charged during this time? Give you some more battery. I know if you're taking like 4K videos, especially with these more modern phones, your battery dies quickly. So I think this comes in clutch when you need it the most. I'm definitely gonna use this a lot because sometimes I rarely take pictures, but I kid you not, it always whenever I want to do it, it always comes in handy. But anyways, as you see here, you can also detach the little clicker button, so you can use this as, so if you don't want to use the stand or you want to hold it somewhere and take a selfie or something, you can actually use this button to take a picture. So I'm not very photogenic at the moment, so I won't demonstrate it, but yeah. So setting it up is pretty simple. Also, honestly, just click the shutter button, look for the Adonit Photo Remote, click on it, and you're good to go. And obviously, this is just the first time, so from any other time you need to use this, just turn on Bluetooth, click the button, and you'll be good to go. And as you can see here, the shutter button does work. Click it, takes a picture. We can also work on video too, so click it and start recording. Simple enough. I really can't complain. I mean, it's not hard to use. Honestly, anybody can use this. So let's just take a look at it from the back. So I honestly think from the back it looks cool. Simple. You have the logo, all black. You have that little rubberized place for your hand. Very ergonomic. Feels perfectly comfortable. Feels like one of those premium cameras. And then like I said, here's our button for the wireless charger. And yeah, I really don't know much to say about this. I mean, other than you should definitely buy this, whether you take pictures on the daily on your phone, or whether if you do it occasionally, this is definitely gonna grab the attention. Oh, and here's a little hole for attaching it to your tripod. Obviously the one that came in, or you can attach it to a higher sized one. But yeah, I think this is definitely worth the 50 bucks. So that is all. Be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.